Good morning, everybody. This is Laura from Tripelroot, and this is your Quick Tip Tuesday for Grilla Grills. And I am going to show you how to make the perfect Beermosa. As we're all on lockdown, you want to make sure you stock up with a local beer. I'm using our Hefeweizen, $18.99, which we sell in 6-packs out of the tap room. And we're just going to open this up. And you want to use a pint glass to make sure your measurements are perfect. So you're going to pour your beer into your glass, and you're going to take orange juice, and you're going to just put a little splash in there to the top, and there you have it. Cheers.